YouTube, my name is Jasmine and welcome back to my channel. Alright y'all, so today is July 28th. The current time is 7:15 and I'm about to do my hair. I'm literally about to sit in this bathroom and do my hair. I'm about to do some, what is it called? Bohemian knotless braids. So I got all my hair right here. Well, I got 4 packs of this color hair, and then I also have some hair that I've been had, and then I got the little curly pieces. So I'm about to go wash my hair and blow dry it off camera, and then we're gonna get started on the process. I might pre-part it just to save me some time. Don't know, we'll see. But I'm gonna catch y'all when I finish washing and blow drying my hair. Alright y'all, so we done blew dry out my hair a little bit and stuff. It still look kind of, it's not bone straight how I want it to be, but it's gonna have to do. I laid out some curly pieces or whatever to like have on the side. I got a mirror right here so I can see the back of my head. And then on Pinterest, I seen this thing where basically it show you like the layout for the type of braids you want. So the type of braids I'm doing is medium. I don't want to do real small because it's going to take me longer and they already finna be long. So basically my parts finna look like this. And then this the one I'm using. I don't know if y'all can see it, but I'm going to use this one because it's medium. So I'm going to kind of just follow that. Y'all take a, actually no, that's the wrong one. Oh, it's right here. It's that one at the bottom. So I'm finna download this to my phone and kind of go off of that. So yeah, I'm gonna have to use my phone for this. So I should have 48 braids. It says approximately 48 braids. So wish me luck. Alright y'all, so here it did take me a minute to kind of figure out how to part this because I was trying to make sure that I was parting the back properly, because for me the back kind of sets the stone for how the rest of the braids will go, or like how the sides will look. So I was trying to make sure that the sides was good enough, which they were, but once I got towards like the maybe 3rd row, they did get a little bit smaller, but it wasn't like a graduate change. So as y'all can see here, I'm taking my precious time trying to part this because like I said, I wanted to make sure that the back was perfect. Even though, you know, you won't see the back, I still wanted to make sure it looked good. So I took my precious time just going over and over and over and making sure I had the right amount of hair. So yeah, just enjoy.
Joanna, you're busy, body busy tonight. What? Joanna, making all the dummy tonight. Joanna, you're busy, body giving me life, oh, hey life, hey. Why you do me like Joanna, Joanna? Why you do me like Joanna, Joanna?
Alright y'all, so next here all I'm doing is putting the shining gem on the base of my hair just so it could be very slick down and it can look very nice and neat. And then basically what I did was I split my hair. Of course I had to check to make sure it looked good in the back and make sure that the square was good enough for me. And I basically took my hair in 3 sections and I added small pieces of hair in by each section, if that makes sense. Of course I'll turn around to show you guys how I'm doing it and try to get a close-up, but as you guys see here, I'm just taking it and pretty much just adding hair as I go until I feel like the braid is, you know, thick enough to my liking.
Joanna, Joanna, like Joanna, Joanna, hey Joanna, 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 why you do me just like that? I go give you all my love, love you too, I love you back. Joanna.
Go to bitch, press play, bitch, go to bitch.
The nerve, I heard I done struck it.
I give her this, yeah, man. She heard it, and I'm like, hoe with some shell toes. Yeah, glow. Slapping rap bitches and making bail, hoe. Yeah, glow. Two-tone Cartier match the nails, hoe.
Oh my gosh.
You got a 2-day trial before I take back my time and make you pay. 30-day trial before I make my mind that it's a waste. Trials and tribulations.
Okay, so here's where I show you guys how I add the curly piece. So as you see, one side is longer than the other, and what I basically did was take my middle finger and use my ring finger to cross over and grip the right side, and I pretty much gripped all of the hair, and I pretty much transferred the middle piece and the left piece to the right side, and I basically just did that throughout the entire process. Then I used my middle finger to grab the middle piece, as you guys see here, and then I just kept doing that same process over and over until I felt like the curly piece was secured enough in the braid, and then I basically just let it hang out. And I did that for literally every curly piece that I added to my hair. Hopefully I explained this well enough for you guys to understand, and I also slowed it down just so you guys could kind of see how I added the curly pieces, just in case anyone wanted to know how to do it. That is how you add the curly pieces. There's also another way you can add the curly hair, which is simply just getting a crochet needle and just put in the crochet piece, put in the hair in the crochet and just crochet it through. But I found this method to be 1,000 times easier, so I just did it this way.
I'm obsessed, y'all. I'm obsessed.
I don't know why these hoes can't stand me. I guess I'm too demanding. When I hit a double coat the candy, I'm so high, no landing. Keeping that block just steady. Rockin' this shit confetti. They all let it go on the telly. They all wanna roll my belly. I got my dogs out on puppet at the reefs. I got them coming in. Shit look like a blitz. She wanna check me up. She wanna check my feet. I pull up the Maybach, jump and check me. I don't know why they don't understand me. I guess I'm too demanding.
He in love with Glow, never got the cookie, but got my name tatted. Killer work, don't know who he killed, I heard that main ready. Never fool.
Alright you guys, so that's going to be the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really love the finished product. As y'all see, it came out super duper cute. Please ignore the fan in the background. I literally just came from outside and I'm hot, so if I look extra greasy or whatever, it's because I just came from outside. But yeah, I really love how I did my hair. I always do my own hair, like 99.9% of the time. If y'all see me with my hair done, it's because I do my own hair, because I just refuse to pay a lot of money. But with that being said, I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you'd like to see more videos like this, comment down below what type of videos y'all want to see. And without further ado, I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys in my next video. If you'd like to see me outside of YouTube, all my social medias will be in the description box down below. I love y'all. See y'all in my next video. Bye.
Time to eat, I be his main battle. NYC, New York Fashion Week, Tommy Hill.